My name is Alexandra Huneeus. I've been nominated by the United States government to serve on the InterAmerican Commission on Human Rights as an independent commissioner. I have a JD and a PhD from the University of California at Berkeley, and I held a postdoc at Stanford University. For over 15 years, I've been a law professor at the University of Wisconsin, where I conduct research on human rights in the Americas and on the Inter-American human rights system. Me llamo Alexandra Huneeus y he sido nominada para la Comisión InterAmericana de Derechos Humanos por el Gobierno de Estados Unidos para servir como comisionada independiente. This is a really challenging time for human rights in the Americas. The pandemic is wreaking havoc with economies. It's putting pressure on democratic institutions. It's exacerbating inequalities. As the Commission moves forward in this challenging context, it could use commissioners who understand the law, the politics, the culture of the region. And this is what I bring to the table. First, a commissioner has to be a jurist. A commissioner has to be able to apply the instruments of the Inter-American system to the complex fact scenarios that come before the commission. The focus of my research over the past decade and more has been the different ways that the different countries of the Americas connect to the Inter-American system through their legal systems. A commissioner also has to be able to be a good communicator, a good diplomat and mediator. A commissioner has to be able to bring different parties to the table to reach a friendly settlement, for example, or to hold governments to account. I understand through my research, through traveling throughout the region and talking to the different stakeholders, I understand the different perspectives that people bring to the Inter-American system. My family immigrated to the United States from Chile when I was 5 years old. So that means that my life has unfolded in the U.S., my childhood, my education, my career, and my own family. But I've always kept a close connection to Chile and to Latin America. And as a child, this was the period that Chile was governed by the Pinochet dictatorship. And the experience of watching the pivotal role that the human rights movement played in liberating Chile from a brutal military dictatorship is one that inspired me as an adolescent and made me believe that the ideas of human rights and human rights movements and human rights institutions can really make a difference. Una de las cosas más inspirantes del sistema interamericano es la manera en que la gente que lo usa, las víctimas, la sociedad civil, incluso los estados, todos creen que la justicia es posible y que la pueden lograr usando el sistema interamericano de derechos humanos. Eso a mí me inspira. Y esa es la razón por la cual sigo enfocada en el sistema interamericano después de tantos años. I am a strong believer in the Inter-American human rights system. I believe it has the potential to, not working alone, but rather in partnership with governments, with civil society, with victims, with universities. It has the potential to change societies for the better and to make them more just. And that's why I've devoted my career to the Inter-American system.